In this video, we're going to look at an overview of the Markup Link Errors tool in the AutoBookmark plugin for Adobe Acrobat. This tool automatically detects and marks up all link errors with sticky notes, making it very useful for easily finding and marking up such errors. To use it, click Plugins, Links, Find and Fix Link Errors, and then Markup Link Errors. You can optionally choose to select a page range before clicking OK. After processing, a dialog box will show the number of link errors that have been detected. Look at these examples. The labels generated annotate the faulty links with a description of the problem. These may include a URL address not being in the correct format, a link not having an action associated with it, or the link's destination file not being present. All links with errors will be marked with red notes. These will detail the error description. Work with these notes using excellent commenting tools. To remove all red notes, click Plugins, go to Links, then Find and Fix Link Errors, then click Remove Error Markup. Learn more and download the AutoBookmark plugin for Adobe Acrobat at evermap.com.